Let's migrate some data. In your Nexus, just hit the Migrate Data button, and you will pick the source and the target. It's that simple. I'm going to move from Databricks to Snowflake. There could be 10,000 tables in that Databricks database. When I hit the check them all, they're all ready to go. When I hit this blue button, anything with a check mark is going to move to Snowflake. I can get rid of anything here, change the names, do a wide variety of things. The addresses table already exists. It's going to continue to insert into this, but I've decided to drop and recreate. Now, these are the two utilities for this Databricks source and Snowflake target. I can globally select the faster one, but I can individually change as well. Now, I'm going to convert the DDL just to show you how fast this is. Most of the time, just converting the table structures is going to take forever. This took, 5 seconds? And that's the idea. We can convert the table structures between any combination of those systems. Now I'm going to execute this. Nexus converted the table structures, data types, built all of the load scripts automatically, and this is moving. This is fairly fast, but if you want to really be fast, just hit the Nexus Server button, and it'll allow you to hit migrate, wide variety of options. And once again, see, I can pick any source and any target. Everything moves to everything in the Nexus. Now, here, we're doing this on a server. These Nexus servers are placed on the cloud or on premises, strategically located as close as possible to the source and target systems. And when you execute this, it's going to move from the source through the server's memory and onto the target for high speed. We can move millions, billions of rows. Now, individually, if you decided you wanted to change things, you can hit the table options for that table. As you can see here now, to show me all the columns I'm going to move. I don't have to select all the columns. And if I do want to select all the columns, great. But I don't have to select all the rows. I can put a custom where clause right up here in the top right. As you'll see, it'll be placed down on the bottom left, which is the actual select statement from that source system. And I do not want any department 500 rows. So you've got a choice to pick the columns you want, the rows you want. This is the table definition, DDL, data definition language for the target, and I can change that. So you've got total control of everything. However, we automate it as well. Now the server's preparing everything, and then it's going to let me schedule it. So now I'm ready to go. I'll schedule this once, daily, weekly. I'm going to go with immediate, and this is fast. That is already produced. Everything I needed, that data has moved. You see, we do about 2,000 combinations of utilities so that you can get the speed you need. I'm going to do a Postgres on premises to a Postgres on AWS. I got a Nexus server out there. This is going to be extremely fast. Do not blink, because that's the idea of these powerful utilities that we use from each of the vendors. And here we go. I'm going to run this, but look at your options. Got bulk copy, Postgres, export, import. This is now 20 times faster than it's ever been before. And this is just blazing. Get ready. It's converting the table structures, and now it's ready to go. Those utilities are built. Boom. It's that fast. If you want to migrate data between any and all systems, I know a company that can do it for you. Coughing Data Warehousing's Nexus. Reunite your data!